ready. Okay, hi everybody. This is Donna from Vince's Gourmet. Today I'm making bread custard pudding. I'm going to make two different kinds. I'm going to make a white chocolate one, and then I'm going to make an Irish clean one. That was a mistake. Irish cream. So, in this pan, I'm going to show you how to do it and then the finished stuff. Here is, it's a pretty basic recipe. A half a pound of butter, a half a pound of chocolate for the white chocolate. We're going to melt that together and add in 2 cups of cream. Now, all you have to do is let that melt together on low heat with a tablespoon of vanilla. Vince's has great pure vanilla extract here. Here it is already done. Well, there's no chocolate. We have a half a pound of butter, 2 cups of the heavy cream, and here's the Bailey's. This is Bailey's Irish cream. And I'm whisking that together. And I'm gonna let that set. That's step 1. Over here is step 2. You need 9 eggs and a cup of sugar. And here, 9 eggs, a cup of sugar. I'm whisking that together. Let that Bailey's work in here for a second. And then you can use whatever kind of bread you want. For the white chocolate, I'm using regular white bread. For the Bailey's one, I'm going to use the Ferrara panettone, which I think is going to mix well. It has a little orange, some raisins, a little cinnamon. It's like a brioche. It's we have a lot of varieties here at Vince's, and it sells real well, and it's delicious. You can use it for French toast. I like to use it for bread pudding. So what I did is I took a half of one of the loaves and just cut it up into the bowl. Now I'm going to take my cream mixture and I'm going to add it to my egg mixture. And blend that really well. By the way, that was a half a cup of Bailey's. And then I'm going to pour it over the panettone. Okay, so I'm mixing the panettone into the custard mix. Now, I don't know if I said a half of the loaf of the panettone. I added 3/4. You want it to be kind of soupy like that. You don't want it to be dry because that'll bake up in the pan. So then the next thing you're gonna do is, I'm making small amounts because remember I said the other day, you want to share these recipes with friends and neighbors. And so I'm just dividing it up into these 4 pans. Should have probably divided it in 3 pans. I think I will. All right, here's the key. It goes in a water bath. If you don't put it in a water bath, then it's gonna dry out. So you only need, I put like a 1/2 inch in this cookie sheet that I have. And you can use a big roasting pan. It really doesn't matter as long as you have water, and check it throughout. So 350 uncovered. It's gonna puff up. This size container is going to take about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. It'll start to brown on top like a cake, and then again you can put a toothpick in and check it, and that's it. That's bread custard pudding. I'll be back to show you it baked and a sauce that I made for it, as well as the white chocolate. Hi everybody. Okay, I'm back with the bread pudding that's all baked. This is the Bailey's Irish cream one with the panettone, and this is the white chocolate. So the white chocolate I just served with some whipped cream. The Bailey's I'm going to, and some sprinkles for Easter. The Bailey's I made a quick sauce. I used panna. In this pan here is a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 pound of butter, a 1/4 cup of whiskey. You can use more Bailey's if you don't want to use whiskey, and a 1/2 box of the panna. So you can use, I like it with the panna, it comes out nice and silky, and then just whisk it all together, it'll melt, and then pour it right on top of your bread pudding. You can make this sauce ahead of time as well, and then you gotta have whipped cream if you're eating bread pudding, or vanilla ice cream. So there it is, there's bread pudding 2 ways. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter, where we have recipes and weekly sales. Or if you want to get this recipe, which I know a lot of you do, you have to email me at Donna@vincesgourmet.com. Everybody have a great day.